Today, we're all here at Temple University. It's their third day of dental school, and they're being introduced to Henry Schein right away, and we'll be with them for the next 4 years.
Our partnership with Temple University is extremely important. It's really built off mutuality and trust, focused on those areas that are really important not only to Henry Schein, but also important to Temple.
Our philosophy is student first. We help the school, we help the student. It's a great partnership for both sides. I mean, everything from handpieces to instruments to burrs to teeth to the everyday thing that the students need and the school needs. They come to one spot and it's us. That's why we are Henry Schein, and that's why we have these great relationships and partnerships with schools like at Temple University.
We have a store here on site led by myself, but it's very suitable for the students and the faculty. If they have any issues, if they have a new product they want to try out, if they want to have a meeting about our kit distribution, we're right here on site. I can come down to their office and deal with solutions and service them very well.
I think dentistry has a lot of individuality, and a lot of dentists like to do things different ways. And I think that getting these instruments in my hands and finding out what I like to do is exciting for me.
Felt like it was Christmas morning. I was so excited when I walked in and saw the boxes and everything. Seeing all of the teeth that were pre-drilled for us, it's just like a flash forward to everything I'm gonna get to learn and get to do.
I love being able to use the same products that I see in dental offices, having worked in 2 dental offices myself. It was very great for us to just have easy access to all of these great tools that we'll need for the rest of our careers.
I think having the right instruments makes a job so much easier. You learn to select the right instrument that's really going to serve you and ultimately your patients better. Reggie and Cliff are both super knowledgeable, really friendly. I mean, they always make you feel welcome in there.
D1 year we got our kits. It was all of this new stuff, and we were also excited to just get started and just get ready to go.
We walked in, the kits were set up. We walked over to our seats. We were given instructions on how to unpack, check the kits, and it was very organized and seamless, and I remember it like it was yesterday.
I remember I FaceTimed my dad and I sent a photo to my mom, and I was just like super excited to actually be drilling and like pressing the rheostat. Using them here in the pre-clinic is really important for when we use them in clinic because you feel right at home.
I was pleased to find that here in the States, and especially having a Henry Schein store here at the school, the instruments, the quality is the same, so they're maintaining their value.
Students get used to a standardized instrument that they're using in a pre-clinic as well as clinic, so there's no going through the learning process over and over again.
Being made aware recently that other schools don't have access to a store like this in-house, it makes me really grateful and realize how good we have it here.
Henry Schein is sort of the bridge between being an aspiring dentist while you're in school and being a dentist in the professional setting. It's a level of trust that you really can't get when you first meet a company outside of dental school. They're there for me, so they're my support system.
It was a really big moment. It felt like it was a symbol of all the hard work and dedication I'd put in to get into dental school, and it was tangible in my hands in that moment.
It's been amazing. It's a whole team. If I ever need anything, I send one quick email and I have a response back as soon as possible. I would definitely recommend Henry Schein to all the schools.